Okay, so I'm super excited. My barcode scanner is here. Obviously, like a label shipping printer. It's the Arkscan2054A shipping label printer. Somebody was so nice and generous and ordered it for me from my Amazon wish list. It's something that I wanted, so it was nice that it was an expense I didn't have to take, and I'm very grateful for that. So I'll do an unboxing of it. Let me put this down. So it comes in the box. It's not heavy at all. And this was, it doesn't come with any printer rolls, like paper rolls. So the machine itself was $189, and then for 8 rolls of the thermal paper, I believe was $49 on Amazon also. If you have Amazon Prime, obviously it'll be here in 2 days, so it comes bubble wrapped. This is the printer. It's a good size. You can kind of get an idea. Super light. He's cute. I like cute stuff. Where's the tape? Okay. Don't mind me. Got a couple tape places on it. Sample test print. Oh, it was a sample test print. It worked. Okay. And then there's also this box that comes inside of it. And inside of here is obviously like some cords, some instructions, power source, all that stuff. So let's see. Let's take the instructions out. I'm going to watch a YouTube video on how to put this together. Like set it up, obviously. When you're ready to set up, please visit arkscan.com/2054. All right, printer installation. Place it on a flat surface and make sure the power switch is on. Connect printer to the computer using power source. Also, it's not Wi-Fi enabled. I don't know. Let's see. This must be the power cord. Let's see if you guys can see me a little better. That's better. Alright, let me plug this in. Oh, so it's a, I can't do it in the kitchen because I don't have one, but it is a 3-prong power source, and I don't have one in here. I could get the power strip. Oh, is this in a... I don't know what that's for. I'm not sure what some of these are for. Oh, let me show you. This is the paper that I ordered. So it came in a box of 8. Comes in this black baggie. And it's just a roll like this. So it's perfect. Let me get a power strip and see if I can set this up. Okay, so that first part that I showed you, that was just the shorter part of the adapter. This is the other end of it, so this plugs into here. The other way. Yep. That's in. The light's green, so it's working. And then this small little piece plugs into the back of the printer. And then, okay, it's on. All right, it's saying the first step is to leave the printer off. So I turned it on just to make sure it worked, but I turned it back off. Leave the printer off and plug it into the USB cable into your computer. So this is the USB cable. This goes in this little one here. I think that's in, and then this goes into my computer, which I'm actually leaning on. So I'll plug this into the computer, and I will turn my computer on. Now, it says to connect printer. Is this plugged in all the way? Yes, okay. So that's connected, and it says connect the printer to computer by using the USB cable provided. Plug the cable cord into the back of the jack located near the printer, blah, blah, blah. Okay, loading the label. So insert the roll through the rod. Okay, where's the rod? I'm assuming this is the rod here. So to open the machine, sucks, it's kind of in your way. To open the machine, there's these two little green knobs on the side. Push them both toward, or would be forward, but towards you, and it'll open the machine. The rod was inside the box, so it says to insert the roll through the rod and place 2 shields on each end. Make sure the printing side is face up, which would be this way. Open it, position the printer mouth facing you, then use both hands, open the triangles. We did that. To place the label roll on the mount, locate the printer, slide both ends of the rod into the crevices on the mount. Okay, that's like this. That's it, very simple. Make sure it's secure. You have to use your measurements for a guide. So I guess these are supposed to slide, because this paper is not very big. Okay, let me peel the tape back. These slide this way. The paper goes underneath it. I'm gonna turn it around and show you guys once I do this. I know you don't want to do it too tight where the paper gets bunched, but you don't want to do it too loose where the paper can come off the track. So let me show you. Ow, my finger. These little green things here slide, so they were closed together. I opened them, put the paper through, and then kind of slid them in place to hold my roll of paper locked in. So that's all done. Now for the next step, it says feed it, yep, face up through the slides. That's there, but let me take this tape off. Oh, my thumb really hurts from it shoving on me like that. That was stupid. Position a few inches away from the mouth. So it says here, position your first label sheet a few inches away from the mouth of the printer as pictured. So you want to pull it out past this, which I think will be good. Oh no, a little further back. Like that, I guess. These won't slide. And then it says, close the printer slowly, press down on the cover. You should hear it click that indicates the latch is locked. So I guess that's the click it's looking for. Ready? That click. Then it says here, have your printer auto detect your label printer size or label calibration. First, make sure the printer is switched off. Press and hold the feed button located at the top front of the printer. Okay, so it says press and hold the feed button located at the top front of the printer while switching the power on. Then release the button until the LED light turns into blinking red. You should expect 2 blank labels to come out of your printer from this calibration process, and the LED lights should be in blue. All right, ready? Okay, it's blue. I guess it's calibrated. Now, it's the driver installation and printer setup process for Windows, iOS. I don't have Windows, I have an Apple. Okay, so this one says, please visit the website Arkscan.com/2054A for details. So I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna come back. There's sample shipping label and it works so perfectly. I used this video here, Arkscan shipping label thermal printer setup, in their website, and it was actually really easy to do. Just make sure you follow the instructions step by step from this video. It'll help. It's 8 minutes long and it's so worth it. So yeah, it's done and I'm so excited.